Hello, my name is Marquita Joel, and I am from thisisenglish.org. How is it going with your goal of learning English this year? This year will be the year that you master English. Welcome to day 3 of the Secrets of Learning English in 2024. Stay until the end of the video because I will explain today's vocabulary to you. Secret number 3. Listen to things at least 3 times or more. The more you listen, the more you will gain understanding. Many students think that they will master English when they can listen only one time and understand everything. But this is not true. The truth is, when native speakers are listening, there might be things that they did not hear in the conversation because of a lot of reasons. Because they zoned out. Maybe they are thinking about a lot of things because they can't understand what the other person is saying, because they were distracted and lost focus, or because the person is using different words they don't know or they don't understand. Even when a native speaker listens to their native language, it can be hard to understand every single word 100% of the time. This is true for your native language too. How many times have you been speaking your first language and said, "I didn't hear you," or "I'm sorry, what did you say?" or "Can you repeat that again, please?" The same is true with learning English. It is impossible to understand everything by only listening one time. Listen 2 times or even 3 times to improve your understanding. Start with a short video or audio that is only 1 minute long. Then listen to the same video or audio at least 3 times. This will improve or help your understanding. And if you have more times, listen again, maybe 7 or 8 times. Many of my students have used this secret to help improve their English, and it works. You will be surprised how much more English you will understand. The more you listen, the better you will understand. Try to write down in the comments whether this secret has worked for you. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Write your answers in the comments, or if you're feeling really brave, stitch this video telling me that this worked for you. Now for today's vocabulary. How is it going with your goal of learning English? In English, we use "how is it going?" It is like asking, "How are you doing?" This is a common greeting. Our next word is zoned out. This is a phrasal verb that we use in English to talk about times when we lose our focus. Our last word is distracted. When we are distracted, it is hard to focus. For example, when I am in English class using my cell phone, it makes me distracted. Distracted is being used as an adjective. Remember that the best way to learn English is in community. Please join thisisenglish.org Facebook group community. You only need $5 and a Facebook account. You only have until July 15th to join. Visit thisisenglish.org for more information. And remember, you can and you will learn English. I'll see you soon. Bye.